Adding American Express card to Apple Wallet. In this video, you are going to learn how to add American Express gift card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. For that, you simply have to go to your Apple Wallet mobile application, and in Apple Wallet mobile application, you will see a screen like this. The first screen is like this. You just have to click the plus icon on this screen. After clicking on this plus icon, next screen will appear in which there are two available options of cards. The first one is debit or credit card and the next one is credit card. You will tap on credit or debit card option. After tapping on the debit or credit card option, you will be able to go to the next stage. In the next stage, you will see a scanner. From here, you will need to scan your credit card and all the details will be added. That's how you will be able to add your American Express gift card to Apple Wallet. That's pretty much simple. Thanks for watching.